So today, yung i-review naman natin is The Wild Unknown Tarot Deck and Guidebook, written and illustrated by Kim Kranz. So this one, check natin yung price. It's 1,979 pesos. So after ko to review, pinopost ko siya sa Shopee. If you're interested, you can buy it. Hindi ko siya ginagamit. Nire-review ko lang siya. So, tignan muna natin. Ganito ko siya na-receive. Sa US siya galing. There you go. It's $39.99 in US. Ito siya sa back. This one is for advanced tarot reader na ha. Dahil parang medyo mahirap siya basahin for. Oh, may copy siya ng kaunti. Ayan. Tingnan muna natin yung book. Parang nakakaantok yung itsura nung meron siya dito sa gilid. May you always be on the inner quest. Ang kapal nung book niya. Oh, may spread din siya. Ayan, may spread siya. Ang ganda ng font. Parang pang lalaking tarot reader. May Celtic reading. May year ahead spread. Reverse cards. So, nilagay niya na dito. I've not included reverse meaning in this book as it's important to have grounded sense of the 78 cards in their upright position before adding the complexity of reverse meaning to your reading. Again, there is no right and wrong here. You do not need to use reverse cards at all. My very favorite psychic position that cards so they are always upright, and her readings are incredibly meaningful to me. Do what works for you. Yeah, honestly, ako din, hindi rin ako nagpapasa. Pero marunong ako magbasa ng reverse. Pero I prefer to read ng upright. Maybe because, you know, as an Aquarius, we are kinda, may pagka-OCD kami. Ayoko ng bali-baliktad na baraha. So, if you're going to ask your spirit guide to give you the answer, it will give you the right answer using 78 cards upright meaning. So, yun. But, okay lang din naman na mas maraming meaning, syempre, kapag may reverse. Naguguluhan lang akong tingnan. Ayoko ng bali-baliktad. So, yun. Sinabi niya na pala dito kung may reverse at wala. So, ayun. Yan din siya. Wala nga naman talaga siyang wala talaga siyang reverse meaning. So, kada isang card, yung isang page sa card, yung isa naman is sa meaning. Let's see hanggang likod. Yeah. Ganun din hanggang likod. Hanggang likod siya. Ayan. Makapal yung book. Maganda. Na-receive ko nga lang siya na medyo may ganyan na. Ngayon ko pa lang siya i-open. Kakarating lang nito. So, may infinity siya sa halatang lalaki yung author, no? Si Kim Kranz. Alright? May box pa siya na bukod. Ayan, naka-box pa siya. So, may sign siya ng cups, wands, swords, and pentacles. Okay. Ngayon ko pa lang siya nakita. May infinity din siya sa box. There you go. Tingnan muna natin, no? Kung nagbabasa kayo ng reverse, okay siya. Hindi siya halata na naka-reverse. Kahit i-shuffle mo siya, hindi siya halata. Pansin ko lang, medyo manipis yung card. So, this is honest review, no? Compare sa iba, medyo manipis yung card niya. So, hindi ko siya isa-suggest na i-shuffle nyo na parang casino shuffle, yung pa ganun. I think this one, magbe-bend siya. So, siguro kung i-shuffle nyo is this way. Ganun. So, let's start. Check muna natin isa-isa. Then, yung gilid niya, it's simple matte. Ganyan lang. Yung nipis, medyo manipis siya. So, kayang-kayang i-grab. So, size is, size ng, tarot. Oh, same size ng other tarots. Okay. Tingnan naman natin. Ace of Wands. Very simple, no? Very simple siya. Kung minimalist kayo, you will love this one. Yun. Wala siya nakalagay ng wands. Yung Ace of Wands meron. Pero dito, 2 of Wands, wala. 3 of Wands. 4 of Wands. 5 of Wands. So, this is for advanced tarot reader na. 6 of Wands. 7 of Wands. 8 of Wands. 9 of Wands. 10 of Wands. Daughter of Wands. So, this is a Page of Wands. Son of Wands. Knight of Wands. Mother of Wands. It's a Queen of Wands. Father of Wands. King of Wands. Ace of Cups. 2 of Cups. 3 of Cups. 4 of Cups. 5 of Cups. 6 of Cups. 7 of Cups. 8 of Cups. Basag yung cups, oh. 9 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Colorful yung 10 of Cups. I love it. Daughter of Cups. So, Page of Cups. Son of Cups. Knight of Cups. Mother of Cups. Queen of Cups. Father of Cups. King of Cups. Ace of Swords. 2 of Swords. 3 of Swords. 4 of Swords. 5 of Swords. 6 of Swords. 7 of Swords. 8 of Swords. 9 of Swords. 10 of Swords. Page of Swords. Daughter of Swords na nakalagay. Son of Swords. Mother of Swords. Father of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. 2 of Pentacles. 3 of Pentacles. 4 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles. 9 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles. Daughter of Pentacles, which is Page of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Son of Pentacles. Mother of Pentacles. Father of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. This is the Major Arcana. Cute. Sisiw siya. The Fool. The Magician. The High Priestess. The Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. The Chariot. Justice. Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Strength, the Hangman, Bat, Death, Temperance, the Devil, the Tower, the Star, the Moon, the Sun, the Judgment, the World. Alright, so tingnan na natin kung okay ba siya i-shuffle. Nice siya i-shuffle. Pero for me, better talaga i-shuffle siya this way para hindi siya mag-bend. Swabe lang. Nadulas. Ayan. Madali siya i-shuffle. Parang ang astig na niya eh. If lalaking tarot reader. Parang ang astig niya. Look, mag-spread ako. Diba? Halatang tarot, yung ano, yung gumawa nito sa lalaki. Ang ganda, diba? Oh. Yun nga lang, kailangan, alam mo na yung meaning. Kasi, if you're intuitive reader, medyo nahihirapan ka kapag bago ka pa lang. Tapos, hindi mo alam yung meaning of each cards. Ayun. Ang ganda niya. For me, this is medyo manipis siya, pero okay naman. For me, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 siya para sa akin. I love kasi the design, parang super minimalist lang talaga. And then, yung colors, okay siya. Lalo na, yun nga, if you are male tarot reader, this one is good for you. And the price is not that expensive. So, yeah, I love this. And if you have a tarot in mind that you want me to review first, tarot, oracles, or Lenormand, kapag available na siya, go ahead and review it first. But if not, I'll try my best to find it. So, yan. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And then, see you in my next video. Bye!